Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a review of Oyikey Microneedle Patch. It promises deep skincare, improved absorption, and even a radiant glow. But is it really worth the hype, or is it just another product you should avoid? Stick around as we break down and give you the honest scoop. Before we begin, please remember this review is based on my personal opinion and research. Always do your own due diligence before making any purchase decisions. Now let's take a closer look at the Oyikey Microneedle Patch. According to the product listing on eBay, these patches use nano microneedle technology to deeply penetrate the skin. It's said to be made with natural ingredients, non-irritating and safe to use. They promise deep moisturizing skin repair and a youthful radiance. The patches are transparent, which means they're discreet enough for daily wear. Plus, they are easy to carry around so you can enjoy your skincare routine anytime, anywhere. For the good and convenience, these patches are easy to apply and don't affect your daily activities because they're practically invisible. Natural ingredients, no harsh chemicals, which could make this a good option for those with sensitive skin. The concerns efficacy with a product like this, the real question is whether the microneedles actually do what they're supposed to do. While the concept sounds great, user reviews are the real tests. Price versus value. At $17.89 for 20 patches, it might be affordable, but does it really deliver the skin benefits promised? You don't have much info from clinical trials or studies backing up these claims. So, as for the final verdict, is the Oyikey Microneedle Patch legit or a scam? Based on the information we have, it seems like a legitimate product with a clever approach to skincare. However, without any solid customer feedback or clinical proof, it's hard to say if it delivers on its promises. If you're willing to try it out for the price, it might be worth a shot, but keep your expectations realistic. As always, make sure to read reviews and do your own research before purchasing. I hope this review helped you decide if the Oyikey Microneedle Patch is something you want to try. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.